I'm going to sad summary of Peppa's summer holiday. Peppa was at playgroup and she was very excited. Peppa and Peppa's friends are in playgroup and she was feeling very excited. And she told all of her friends, I'm going on holiday. And her friends shouted, me too. And Peppa said, I'm going to swimming pool. Me too, shout all of Peppa's friends. And Peppa's friends are going on holiday and Peppa's friends are going to swimming pool. And after playgroup, Peppa and George and Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig packed their holiday things. And Peppa was packing her flamingo, but she cannot do it. And she told her, can you please pack my flamingo? And Daddy said, of course. And he trying to squish Peppa's flamingo. Peppa, George and Mummy Pig, Daddy Pig, and they packed their suitcase and headed to the airport. And Daddy Pig said, it seems like everyone is going to holiday. Look at all this traffic.